Good day, students. Have you ever wondered why wet clothes dry even without heating it, or why your skin feels cold when you apply perfume? Today, let's explore a very interesting concept, evaporation. Do we always need to heat a liquid to convert it into vapor? The answer is no. Look around. Wet clothes dry. Water in an open bowl disappears slowly. This happens because of evaporation. We always need not boil water to turn it into vapor. Puddles dry after rain. Yes, wet clothes dry on their own. Perfume feel cold on your skin. Evaporation is the process of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point. Why does this evaporation happens? Because particles in a liquid are always moving, some particles at the surface gain enough energy and escape into the air as vapor. Consider an activity. Take 5 ml of water in a test tube and keep it near a window. Take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it near a window. Take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it inside a cupboard. Record the room temperature. Record the time or days taken for the evaporation process in the above cases. Repeat the above 3 steps of activity on a rainy day and record your observation. We infer from the activity that surface area, temperature, humidity, wind speed has an influence on evaporation. Let's look into how the first factor, surface area, influence evaporation. Larger surface means faster evaporation. A good example is clothes spread out, dry faster. The next factor is temperature. Higher temperature means faster evaporation. More particles get energy to escape. A good example is evaporation increases on a hot day. The next factor is humidity. First, let's answer what is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Remember, high humidity means slow evaporation. A good example is during rainy days, clothes dry slowly. The next factor is wind speed. More wind means faster evaporation. Wind removes water vapor from surrounding, so we can observe that clothes dry faster under a fan. The most interesting part comes now. When liquid evaporates, it takes heat from the surroundings. As evaporation absorbs heat, surrounding becomes cool. This is called as the cooling effect. That is why perfume on your skin feels cold, sweat cools your body, water sprinkled on roof cools the house. Remember, latent heat of vaporization of water helps to cool. For further understanding, reflect on why does a desert cooler work better on a hot, dry day? Because evaporation is faster in low humidity. Why is water cool in a matka, that is a earthen pot? Water slowly evaporates through tiny pores, that is the cooling effect. Why should we wear cotton clothes during summer? They absorb sweat and allow quick evaporation to keep us cool. Let's revise. Evaporation happens below boiling point. It depends on surface area, temperature, humidity and wind speed. It causes cooling. Thank you, students.